Cuervo. What a two for Cuervo. Cuervo controlling the ball. Pass by Asok. What a great move. Good goal by Asok. Number 18 controlling the ball. Nakita ka basahan. Pasa sa ilalim. 356. Good. Number 18 for the 3 points. No good. Rebound by Mr. Asok. Mr. Asok ipasa sa iyang kalaban. Iniitsa sa iyang kalaban. What a great pass Mr. Asok sa iyang kalaban. Number 31. Domiretso. Block. Rebound by Mr. Tion to Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo to number 1 ang batak. What a protection ng batak. Controlling the ball. Pass number 18 Mr. Teves for the 3 points. Rosales. Mr. Tion to ng batak. To Cuervo. Domiretso. Side step. Pass to Tion. Nagmamadali. Wala na kalimao. Palagay. Cuervo to Davis to Tion. Alley-oop. 2 points by Mr. Tion. Number 18 rebound. Nagmamadali. Dumiretso. Pasa sa iyang kawan. Number 31 Ilimaw. 2 points on boarding. Controlling the ball. Nakita ka ba saan sinang batak? Nagmilo. Crossover. Takawa na. Asal ko dalong. Diretso. 2 points by Mr. ng batak. Number 18, gipangkaan si Cuervo. Patay na. Rebound by Mr. Asok. Pass to Mr. Tion. Domiretso. 2 points by Mr. Tion. Pass to Asok to Cuervo for the 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Number 31 Lublen. Lugod. Ganda na kalang pasa. At binawi agad ng rebound at Cuervo for the 3 points again. No good. Rebound by number 17. Still by Mr. Cuervo. Pass to Dives. 1 points. 54 seconds. Number 18. 21. Cuervo. Domiretso. Time out break. Number 1, Mr. Nabatak, Alley-oop pass. Number 29, Alicado. What a good play. Controlling the ball. Number 18 to number 31, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 17. Block. To number 29, number 1. Davis, number 1 balik. Back to number 1 ng Batak. What a easy 2 points. Pass still. Bayasok. Last 35 seconds. Number 23 to last 20 seconds. 10. 5. 28. Spin move. Black again. Number 8, nagmamadali. Pass number 1, back to number 8 again. No good. Rebound number 9. What 2 points. 356. Nagmamadali si 356. Still one ng Batak. Pass to number 9. To Mr. Tives. Easy 2 points. Time out. 20 seconds shot clock. Number Tives to number Zulita 2 points. Number 28, pasa sa ilalim. What a good connection. 2 points. Nakita ka ba saan? Nag-display sa saan? Number 17, nagmamadali. Pass fake. Easy 2 points by number 17. Last 7 38. No good. 17 again. Easy 2 points. Rolling the ball. Number 28, pass to number 31. Number 31, Domiretso. Pass to number 17. Easy 2 points again. Cuervo, no good. Rebound number 28. Number 28, still by number 1, Mr. Nabatak. Easy 2 points, Nabatak. Number 18, pass play to number 17. Number 17 again. Number 18, 3 points. Number 21, Tres, win. 4, 3, 2, 1, time! Yeah. Number 21, Cuervo to number 18, Pibas for 3 points. Oh, no gosh. Nakita ka ba sana again? Pass to number 9, to Asok, Gamiritso. No good, Asok again. 2 points by Mr. Asok. To Mr. Cuervo, control na ball, crossover. Crossover, Gamiritso, pasa sa ilalim from Mr. Asok. 2 points. Nagmamadali, crossover, nagmamadali, patay na. Pasa sa Kauman, number 18 to 28. Time! Oh, nag-pass to number 17. Number 17 to number 18, 3 points. Number 18. Oh, no, good. Rebound by number 2. Pass break by number 31. Easy 2 points. Nagmamadali, number 31. Pass to number 17. Dumiritso, pass to number 18. What a great pass. What a great pass. Seriano eh. Time is 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Reverse first. Shot clock. Mr. Davis, ang ito kabasan. Still yung number 18. 18 to 21. 2 points. Number 1, Tualigado, 29. Easy 2 points. 51 against 45. Pass break. Easy 2 points again. Patay na. Dumiritso. Wow! Yang pakai rebound, tumaga agad, number 31, jump shoot, 2 points. Number 18, Zang Williamson, tumaga, iba, Dumiritso, pasa sa number 17, Piralis na, Mr. Davis, Dumiritso, 2 points, easy 2 points by Mr. Davis, seconds, Asok, Dumiritso, no good, rebound with 10 seconds, 5. Ilang ace player, pula 3 points. No good again. Rebound by Tion to Zulita. Dumiritso. Easy layup by number 8. Cuervo, lumusot. Pass to number 18. Davis, 3 points. Oh, no, straight. Mr. Cuervo, last 18 second shot clock. Pass to Zulita, number 8. Easy 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 27 seconds. 31, number 31, Dumiritso. Nice shoot. 3 points again. No good. Rebound by number 8. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 1, Batak. Easy 2 points. 64. 15 second shot clock. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, nagmamadali. Pass na number 58. Easy 2 points. Number 28. 28 to 28. 28, Dumiritso. 2 points. 30. Last 3 minutes and 12 seconds. 2 points from Mr. Cuervo, 66. Number 18, Mr. Davis to number 1, to number 8, to Asok. Easy 2 points. What a great pass. Mr. Cuervo, number 21, crossover, still by number 18. Pass to number 17, Dumiritso, 2 points. Swinging the ball, 20 second shot clock. Number 31, Dumiritso, side step, easy 2 points, 59. Last 1 minute and 28 seconds. Number 8 to number 29, Tualigado, counted. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 18, Dumiritso. 55 seconds. No good. Rebound number 28. That's it. 4, 3, 2, 1.